कसं काय बरं? स्वच्छ भारत पुलिस वाला चांगलं लागतं. कैसा लगा? This is Ranjit Dhaiya's new mural opposite the Swachh Kendra Material Recovery Facility near MTNL, Bandra Reclamation. And he's working here with a German artist, volunteer, Hella from Munich. Sir, 1 minute, just 1 minute.
Sir.
Any message for your fans, followers?
Just like keep painting and keep things clean. That's
Okay.
that.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
And this is now on YouTube.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
And this is Hella from Germany. She loves India.
Yeah.
She loves art and she loves to beautify Mumbai.
Yes.
And she is really excited. And she says her words that for her painting walls is a meditation.
It is. It's like
And
meditation.
she enjoys Mumbai. And she's a very, very good artist.
But Ranjit is a good artist.
But in your own way, you're a good artist.
Yeah, I think everybody is a good artist. As soon as you do art, everything's fine.
Wish you all the best. God
Thank
bless you.
too. Yeah.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen. It's very nice meeting you.
Yeah. Good evening, friends. Welcome to the Swachhata Kendra Material Recovery Facility of SV Road, Bandra. And this is Ranjit Dahiya's new mural. साला आपका बम्बई का पब्लिसिस्ट मैं हूँ। आपका बम्बई का जो पब्लिसिस्ट है ना, जो होता है ना आपको जो प्रमोट करता है सब, वो मैं हूँ।
Yes, yes.
मेरा नाम फिरोज शाकिर है।
Yes, I know. Your name is.
नहीं, मैं बोला आप अगर भूल जाओ तो
अरे सर कैसी बातें कर दिया आपने? Hello.
नहीं होगा। दिस इज इंस्टाग्राम लाइव
Oh, Instagram.
एंड आई एम विद मिस्टर रंजीत दहिया, the most artistic personality in Bandra. And only thing he has to lose a little weight, then he look like Salvador Dali.
आया मैं।
ये कब चालू किया आपने? When did you
होगा
start?
5th day आज।
Okay.
How do you like it?
You won't believe it. I don't know if you remember. Long time back, I posted a picture of that wall painting there on the left side of BMC Swachh Bharat.
हाँ.
And I said, how come they don't use people like you? Not you, anybody
Yeah.
of the same caliber. Instead of those, now see that wall,
Yeah.
it is gone. So what is the BMC trying to prove here? I mean, one side you have Aditya Thackeray sahab, who talks about climate and who talks about, giving a new highlight
Yes, yes.
in tourism. Now this is also a part of tourism,
Yeah.
but somebody has to develop it.
Yes.
So this is what hurts me the most, that a painting of yours. When did you do the painting of Anarkali? How many years back?
It's 9 years back.
9 years back, and it was there intact.
Yes.
It's only after maybe a year and a half that you have posted
Yeah, I mean like it's like more than 8 months.
8 months back. Yeah. So I mean, it lasted. It had a,
People know that area because
yeah,
of the painting.
it had a tremendous shelf life. But then it's really sad. What is the theme of this mural?
This is recycling things.
Okay.
It's like the full story to how people show that their.
You should call Mr. Aditya Thackeray.
छोटे आदमी हैं, बड़ा आदमी कैसे बोल सकते हैं?
No, but I'm just saying, because a person like him, who's educated,
Yeah.
gifted, and he understands.
No, of course.
He understands the heartbeat of Mumbai. And I'm sure,
Yeah.
they should have a certain park or something where, art,
Art.
not just yours, but others also are promoted,
Yeah, of course, I want like there are lots of artists in Mumbai.
Yeah. But, you're the only one that has taken all the credit, actually.
Sir, I worked. And I didn't take the credit.
No, you have taken the credit from the people.
That's why I got the credit.
That is what I'm saying, but you're not getting my point. I said, you have taken the credit because the very word graffiti art,
Yeah.
you are more well known than others. I mean, I don't mind. I'm talking about Bandra.
Yes.
You are a pioneer and you are not even a Bandraite.
Yeah, that's true.
Coming back to your roots,
Yeah.
you're not a Bandraite. Well, there are but there are a lot of people in Bandra.
Yes.
Some of them, who boast about being a Bandraite because they were born there. But I am from Kulava. But what I'm saying, Bandra brought us here. We didn't come on our own.
That's true.
And now Bandra lives in our soul,
Yes, that's
So this is it. I walked asking people where is Javed Bhai ka. I kept asking them. और क्या बोल रहे हो?
बस सर कैसा लगा आपको?
Very good. This you going to do the end till the end?
We are just feeling
And who's this lady?
This is one of my friend from Instagram.
बताओ.
हाँ.
मैं तो समझेगी.
No.
French है?
German.
हाँ?
Germany.
Okay.
Hi, hello. Meet Mr. Firoz. Yeah, Firoz is.
Deutsch über alles. Deutsch über alles.
Deutschland.
I learned German
Okay.
in Max Müller.
Ah, Max Muller, yeah.
Yeah, I learned for some time,
Okay.
but it was too difficult. Mais je parle français.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, je suis comfortable avec parler français.
Yeah.
He is a great artist.
Yes, yes.
He's a great human being.
Yeah.
And in entire Bandra,
Yeah.
a lot of people love him. Women, men, no, those don't know him. Some of them don't know him at all,
Yeah.
but they meet him by chance.
Yeah.
Now I am the only guy in Bandra who has consistently shot him for many years.
Ah, okay. Nice.
All my videos,
Yeah.
they are known as painted walls,
Ah, okay.
and they are known as Ranjit Dahiya, magic of Ranjit Dahiya. I have been posting him, yeah. He likes me also, and he's a great tennis player. What you got you attracted to him? I mean,
He was looking for volunteers, so
okay,
I said, I'll show up.
very good. I'm so happy
And
to see you.
I know his paintings. I've seen his street art.
Okay,
Yeah,
I was very close to Maya.
Yeah.
Maya was from Switzerland.
Ah, okay.
Her husband was Thomas. Am I right?
Yeah.
And they came to shoot something near my house.
Okay.
But the problem is, you know what, with foreigners, I mean, don't get me wrong, they don't understand the Indian background.
No, they don't. There's
And-
lots of effort to understand.
You know, so what happens is, they have a great thing in painting,
Yeah.
but the problem is, the concept of West doesn't work here.
Yeah, that's true.
So Maya had a concept, she did it there, you know. Was it, am I right or wrong, sir? She did everything. She bought the power crane and all. And my granddaughters were very small, they've shot her.
Yeah.
But the thing is, after some time, the paintings were removed.
Yeah.
Because I feel that the painting should connect.
Yeah.
Not the same. I think the painting should connect with the Indian ethos.
Yeah.
It should talk about India.
Yeah.
It should not talk about Germany or, I mean, you know what I mean.
Yeah, of course.
Unless you are doing the Max Piller Bhavan,
Yeah.
then you do something German. But I feel, maybe I'm wrong.
No, I don't think so. I think it also needs to be, it needs to connect with the
You know,
locals.
he did a painting. It was very controversial. He did a painting. It's called Mithun. He's an actor. He did it in Shillong. And it is one of his most controversial paintings. Mo- It is his most controversial painting. He did it with good heart, good soul. And Mithun is a national actor, but where he painted it in Shillong, later on people didn't like it. Why? You know, because it didn't belong to Shillong. Am I right? And they were vindictive. The people from Shillong. I mean, I have my best friend, my childhood friend, has married a woman from Shillong. I've been to Shillong. You should see Shillong. It's a fantastic place. But you know, they found fault with it. Not the painting, not his art. They found fault that Mithun did not belong to Meghalaya. And so they removed the painting. This is what hurts me the most, you know. We are so narrow-minded. And then what happens, when you are narrow-minded and everything, then a man like Ranjit Dahiya comes and joins us together through art. Everybody cannot afford this art, you know. Am I right? Or am I talking too much?
No, you are talking sense, sir.
So this is it. I'm really proud to see you here.
It's been a
Yeah.
nice time.
Yeah,
Enjoy this.
I have a very great connection with Germany. My boss's wife, she died. Her name was Gabriela. And she had a showroom in Düsseldorf. And she had very beautiful daughters.
Yeah.
One was Amrita and another was Sanjana. And their father is an Indian who had this huge store in Taj Mahal. It's called Burlington's.
Okay.
So I was connected to Mrs. Gabriela Kapoor. She taught me fashion designing.
Yeah.
I'm a fashion designer.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
You want to Bollywood.
Yeah.
I work for Bollywood. I work with actors and everything. I also did costumes of Mr. Roger Moore for a film called Sea Wolves. It was shot in Goa a long time back.
Yeah.
What are you feeling? Tell me your feelings. I know all his feelings. You know why I know all his feelings?
I don't know.
Because he has no feelings.
I have lots of feelings, sir.
But he won't tell it. He won't tell those feelings. No, what do you feel when you're doing this wall?
Oh, I like it. I find painting, very relaxing.
It's a kind of
It's like meditation.
meditation.
And it's
Yeah.
also been really nice because lots of people come by.
Okay.
And they're always really like it. They're quite hot.
So what is your good name? I'm sorry, I didn't. Ella.
Hella with an H.
H. Ella. Ella. It's very Greek.
Hella,
Greek.
Hella.
Greek. Hellenic.
It's connected to Helen. Helena,
Yeah.
which is a Greek goddess.
Huh?
Helena is a Greek goddess.
Yeah, Greek.
Yeah,
Greek.
but it's separate. It's not Helena.
Yeah.
It's Hella.
No, no, very good. So where do you stay in Germany?
I stay in Mumbai now.
No, in
But
Germany.
I'm originally from Munich. In the
Okay,
south.
Munich. München.
Yeah, München,
Okay.
yeah.
Very good. I'm happy. Carry on with your work.
Thank you.
Yeah.
चाय पियोगे सर?
एक मिनट. इधर आओ. Oh. So, I showed you Ranjit's painting. You met Hella, and now a little bit of me and Ranjit.
Hello.
Come this side. This side. So this is his new mural, and this man next to me is Ranjit Dhaya, a very famous wall artist,
Hello, guys.
gravity artist. He's on Instagram. He's on a lot of Facebook. He's highly. I mean, you guys ever need something to be painted? Something? Do contact him on Instagram. You know, if you have a project, even Bollywood directors, art directors, I ask you to, you know, he's got a different touch. He feels he's from Haryana. He comes from a farmer's family, but he is a fabulous friend, and we have been friendly for last maybe 4 or 5 years now. But much before I met Ranjit Dhaya, I have been shooting all his wall murals.
Yes.
And sir, you say something.
And then we met while I was painting in the Devanand Saab's painting.
yeah, taxi driver. We
Yes,
met
taxi
first time
driver,
over
yes,
there,
yes.
and then we've been meeting
So
so
then
many
like,
places.
oh, you are the guy who painted all these things. Oh, I'm looking for you from last 5,
But
7
I'll tell you one more thing. A great tennis player. He started 3 years back. I've been playing for last 7 years, but he is a great player. And thanks to our coach Surendra Pawar,
Yes.
who wants to make him an instructor. I said, sir, ऐसा मत करो, पेंटिंग का बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. बोले नहीं उसको कोच तो बनाना ही है, मुझे विंबलडन भेजना है. So this is it. और बाकी बताओ सर.
Okay. Okay, all good,
So
sir.
take
So far,
care,
so
friends.
Good.
This was and all of you guys who are watching this and who like Ranjit Dhaya's work, do come and visit him here. He's there tomorrow. I think it's the last
Tomorrow
day.
is last day.
Last day. Thank
We'll
you.
take one more day. Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.